Good to have you in the State House, Madam President.
Thank you very much.
Is it a small P or big P?
You tell me. I'm in the house of the big P.
All right, you have just met with Mr. President.
Yes.
Why the meeting? What did you tell him, and what did he tell you?
Well, he congratulated me on the victory. We talked about the challenges of electronic voting and technology, and we spoke about the ways that in which we can continue to improve on our processes. It was very encouraging.
Okay, you've spoken a lot after your election and emerging as the president of the NBA. A lot of people angry with the process, which you just alluded to. What are you doing regarding house cleaning and peacemaking with your members now?
Well, my swearing in is not until the end of August. In the meantime, I continue to reach out to members, to stakeholders, so that we can work together to improve things, to heal the hurt anyone has, and to just continue to ensure that we do things to make sure that the NBA continues to fulfill its role to society. Everything that needs to be done, I can assure members and the public that I will do. We'll make sure that we unite ourselves. We'll make sure that we put our house in order.
Okay, Mr. President has another assignment.